Joshua Hansen, as Senior Software Engineer at AttackForge.
Okay, so tell me, what's been one of the most exciting things about working with AttackForge since you've joined?
I think probably the independence and being able to work on lots of different complex problems, and knowing that my work really matters and makes a big difference to the company.
So that kind of like that creativity and those ideas that you're bringing, you're in an environment where they're being robustly tested, but they're actually contributing to the overall kind of goal of the project.
Yeah, it's really good to. It's good to be able to test. You get the software out there and you test it vigorously, but then it goes into the customer's hands and it's getting used and makes a big difference. So.
Yeah. So how does that kind of make you feel when you've done those updates or whatever? You've got a new piece of software, you're seeing people engage with it, you've kind of nailed it, and you've got people using it in a really, really good way.
Yeah.
Kind of like a nice, satisfying feeling in that.
Yeah, it's a great feeling to know that especially being able to open new opportunities for the business, and knowing that it really streamlines the customer's experience, using AttackForge.
When you were kind of going about getting this job, what was it that kind of inspired you to be part of the AttackForge team?
Joining a small team, so knowing that my work would matter and make a big difference, but also during the interview process, meeting Phil and Stas and Jason as well, knowing that I'd have a lot to learn and be able to progress my career.
So there's a great opportunity to kind of grow with the
grow with the company and
that was kind of important to you, that kind of stuff.
Yeah, I was
places where you've been part of a big team and not contributed before.
Yeah, well, it wasn't not contributing, but it was maybe not feeling like it mattered as much. Where knowing that it's a smaller team and there's a lot of amazing people in it that we can learn lots and that will help progress my career. So.
Oh, cool. All right. And what do you think? One of the most important skills you've taught as a software engineer to the AttackForge?
I think just the ability to learn different things. I'm across a lot of different technologies and stuff, so a lot of it's I've had to learn further on the job to do it, and using the right technologies to solve the problems.
Well, so you got a real passion for kind of seeing what the latest cutting edge technology that's relevant to this kind of world.
Yeah, and constantly learning, so finding something new or not necessarily new, but new to myself that is better suited to the problem. And then having the validation of the team to learn that and have the time to develop that to get the best solution for the company.
And how important do you think is the culture that Stas and Phil have kind of built for the way you all work together in order to kind of encourage you to go out and sort of bring that external learning into the platform and business?
Yeah, it's really encouraged to explore different things to try and better the business. Everybody has the opportunities to speak up and is heard of their ideas. So.
That's really cool. So what are some of the lessons you've learned along the way with AttackForge?
Writing secure code and thoroughly testing everything because it's going into production, and being a small company we don't have big teams to put out fires and stuff, so making sure you get it right the first time is probably one of the big ones. So.
Yeah, and I guess being a pen testing platform, probably the odd person out there that feels encouraged to test it.
Yeah, exactly. So you got to make sure that we're not subject to testing. So yeah.
Cool. And what do you do when you're not kind of writing code?
So I have a young family, so most of the time it's spent with my two young daughters. And previously I was a ski instructor, so when I can I try to get up to ski, but with the family it's less often than I'd like. So, but.
Yeah, you need to exit, they need to exit the business.
Yeah.
To get it. Yeah. Thanks for that.